Good morning everyone. Nandito ako ngayon sa isang mansion house. And look at this. Ang ganda, ang laki. So finish this video at para malaman mo kung magkano po ito. At ma-amaze ka sa laki ng mga kwarto guys. See you! Morning, my name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito po sa Antel Grand Village and Aniana. And for today's video guys, so mayroon tayong isang lot owner dito po sa Antel Grand Village. Nag-request na i-feature yung kanyang bahay dito po sa Remelville, which is in Noveleta. At maa-amaze kayo sa laki ng bahay na ito guys. So, look at this. This house is for sale or can be for rent. Alright, samahan nyo pa ako doon na skip this video because makikita mo napakalaki ng kanilang mga rooms. Very wide rooms. Okay, let's start. So this house is with a lot area of 480 square meters and with a floor area of almost 800 square meters. This is already fenced. Now it has pool. Actually guys, itong bahay nito medyo old na siya. Pero once na-renovate mo, na-repaint mo siya, na-rebarbish, guys, makikita mo ang ganda ng bahay nito. At ang bahay nito guys is Spanish Mediterranean. And look at this. Wow. Ito pa yung pinaka-area mo, which is you have the 480 square meters. And then meron ka isang pool, no? Over there. Kompleto siya sa gamit. At saka yung bahay na ito is well designed. Alright, so excited na ba kayo? Napasokin natin to guys. Ang ganda ng bahay nito. Look at this. Wow, it's a United States Navy SEAL. Okay, so it has car garage. Then let's check the car garage muna bago po yung pinaka loob ng house. Wow. So this car garage can accommodate with 3 cars. No? So the house is a single detached and a 2-floor unit. Actually guys, malaki na feature ko in my entire vlogging, but so excited na because makakatulong tayo sa ating client at makakarating tayo ng clienteng napakaganda. Wow. Okay, so nakita niyo na yung loob guys, no? Pero so yung bahay na ito ay mayroon kang double door. Ang lawak ng kanyang pinakapinto guys, no? Wow. Okay. Okay guys, so sila po yung mga mayordoma dito guys. Ayan sila. So this is your living and dining area. This is the ground floor, which is very high ceiling. Look at this. Wow. And also guys, dati po gera kasi ayan, sinama niya dyan siya. But anyway, so dito tayo sa ibaba. Meron dito yung isang malaking room, featuring you with this large room with toilet and bath. Look at this. It's very nice. It's very big house. Oh, look at this, no? With, imagine, no? With bathtub. Guys, ayan. Alright, then ang kanilang mga pinto talagang mga kahoy. Okay. Then, let's check, no? So, this is your living area. Okay. Actually po, dito sila nagbabayaran ng mga milyones nila. Nagbibilang sila ng pera dito, guys. So, this is your dining area. Wow. Napakalaking bahay, no? Ano masasabi mo sa bahay ni Vice Ganda dito, guys? Diba? Mas malaki to kaysa sa bahay ni Vice Ganda. Anyway, fan natin si Vice Ganda na yan, ha? So, ang laki, no? Pinapakita natin. So, if you are interested with this unit, actually po, dito sa ground floor, meron kang 3 rooms. So, doon po sa pinaka-entrance. And then, this one is another room with toilet and bath. Oh, di ba? Ang lawak. So, sa ibang bahay ito guys is living area. But dito sa bahay na ito guys is room lang siya. And of course, no, it has shower area and this is your toilet and bath dito sa isang room. So, ang ganda nito, each room ay meron siyang toilet and bath. Wow, it's big. Okay? So, let's check the maid's quarters area. So, ito yung kitchen. This is the maid's quarters room with another kitchen area. And this is their toilet. This is their room. Okay? And of course, tingnan mo naman guys, meron pa silang sariling toilet and bath. Look at this. Okay? Are you excited, no? Para malaman kung magkano yung bahay na ito? Well, i-reveal natin yung price ng house na ito, guys, sa second floor. So, anyway, this is your dining area with a lanai portion here. Tapos, fronting ka sa water, sa iyong swimming pool. So, they are selling this house fully furnished. Ang ganda no kung mayroon kayong large family. Actually, konting ayos lang po nito sa bahay nito at ipag i-refurbish nyo ito. Time gagastos kayo ng mga 4M for repainting and then renovation ng konti. At least makakatipid kayo guys versus doon sa ibang houses. And of course, the location is very nice. Okay? Check natin yung kanilang stairway. Anyway, ito yung ating mga kaibigan guys. Say hi. And kasama ko sila kahapon. Ayan. Si Grace Salud, no? Konsehal dito ng Noveleta. Ayan. Tandaan mo yan siya, ha? Si Jolly Sol Obispo yung kasamang pari yan kahapon. Alright. So, ito yung kanalagdanan, no? Lawak. Grabe. Ang laki ng bahay. Wak. Okay. Alright. Nasa second floor na tayo guys. Pero look at this angle. It's a big house. Sus. Grabe oh. Ang lawak ng bahay. So, I think the living area until here, no? I think mga 50 square meters, then high ceiling siya. Bukod pa po yung pinaka kitchen area. So, this is your family area sa itaas. So, habang yung bisita mo na dun sa baba, guys, imagine mo na lang, no? Ayan, no? Wow. Bahay ba to? Or mansion? Okay? So, check natin. So, nasa second floor tayo. Check natin yung mga room. So, this is one room. Wow. Tingnan mo yung mga rooms nila guys, ang lalaki, ang lalapad. At saka meron na siyang mga furnitures, no? They are selling this house, including the furnitures. And what makes this different? Because this house, each room, no, meron siya talagang toilet and bath. And not just toilet and bath with wardrobe area, a cabinet area. Check natin yung toilet nito guys. So, this is not the master's bed pa. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda. Okay? Alright. Check natin, guys. So, this is mansion house. Talaga, ang laki. Check natin yung another room. Grabe, guys. So, look at this. It's nice. Ang laki. So, kasya po dito dalawang king size bed. So, actually po, ito yung maganda sa bahay na ito. Ang lalaki. Wow. So, ayan, hindi siya tinipid. Lahat mayroon siyang features, no? Ayan, itong mga bathtub na yan. Then, mayroon pa siyang heater dito na pag naliligo ka. Okay. Okay, let's check. So, okay, so na-check na natin yung 3 plus 2, 5. So, check natin yung master's bedroom. Alright, before check natin yung master's bedroom, guys, hint muna tayo. This house po is 20 million pesos. They are selling this house for 20 million pesos. Or, kung gusto niyo pong i-rent yung house na ito, 250,000 per month. The price is negotiable. Located po ito dito sa Remelville, Noveleta, Cavite. I am doing this because humingi po ng asking ating isang pong lot owner. But I am also very thankful because na-feature ko itong napakagandang bahay na ito, guys. Okay, samahan niyo po ako, no? Check natin yung master's bedroom. Alright. Wow! Guys, this is the master's bedroom. Quack! What makes this special? Because meron siyang malaking balcony over there. And the room is so spacious. Ang lawak. Imagine mo na lang, ang laki-laki ng rooms. So, konting linis lang nito, guys. Pero napakalaki po. Kung ipaparenovate yung house na ito, medyo madami pong kailangang pera. Pero, kung titingnan niyo po yung structural nito at saka yung design, no, very detailed and napakaganda. And since this is the master's bedroom, what makes this super extra because yung flooring natin is kahoy. Ayan o. Ayan, ang ganda. No, ang ganda talaga ng kahoy talaga. And this is their walk-in closet and toilet and bath. Check natin. Wow. So this is the master's bedroom, toilet and bath. Wow. Para kang nasa hotel. Guys, so you have the heater. Actually po, kung ano po ang features yung mga rooms, no, the same thing, no. Bawat rooms, mayroon siya talagang bathtub and then heater. Bawat room mayroon siyang toilet and bath. So with the lot area of 480 square meters and with the floor area of almost 800 square meters, guys, this house is massive. So okay, so this house po ba pwedeng itayo sa Anyana or Andal Grand Village? Yes, as long as you have the lot. Yeah? So what we recommend to you is purchase kayo ng lot, then pagawa kayo ng sariling design. Okay? Okay, so meron pa tayong i-feature, guys. We have 3 more houses. Makalaki. Diba? Wow! So far na. Ang ganda. Wow. Okay. Look at this one. It's nice. Alright, so if you are interested with this unit, so message nyo lang po kami or chat nyo kami sa Viber and WhatsApp para makuha nyo po yung lahat ng details nitong house na ito. Alright, so once again, my name is Ray Miliana, Division Manager dito po sa Andal Grand Village and Anyana. Thank you and see you here in Remelville. God bless.